Hello, my sweet and precious children. I hope that you guys are doing a fantastic job and you're having a great day and that you are super pumped up to be talking about math, sitting here and doing your math homework. I know, I'm excited for you guys. Okay, so bear with me while I get some out of the way. All right. So guys, what we're going to be talking about today, in case the giant board in front of you didn't already give you the clue, is, oh, see, man. Guys, we're going to be talking about perimeter today. Perimeter, okay? Perimeter is just taking the measurement of some sort of shape and figuring out all around the outsides, okay? All around the outsides. Let's say you have a garden and you need to put a fence around it. So you go over to Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever. Here's your garden. You go to the guy and you're like, this is my garden. He's going to say, how big is it so that we can find enough fence for you to go around, right? So let's say this is 6 and this is 8. That also means that this is going to be 8 and this is going to be 6. In order to find the perimeter, or as much fencing as you need, you're going to take 6 and 6 and add that together. You get 12, 8 and 8, 16. That gives us 28. 28. So perimeter is literally just adding up all the sides. I want you to write that down. Perimeter, this needs to go in your notes. Perimeter, add up all the sides. Now, that's for any shape but a circle. For a circle, the perimeter, perimeter is called circumference. I'm going to spell that wrong and y'all are going to yell at me. Circumference. Circumference. All right, yell at me in the comments if you need to. All right, so circle perimeter is called the circumference. I don't know why we give it something special, but we do. That's what mathematicians like to do, is make things complicated. All right, so kids, what we're gonna do today, like I said, is find that perimeter. So if you're following along at home, I can't remember if I said this or not, Math 7-6, 3rd edition, lesson 8. We are going to be looking at some of these examples. If you turn to page 36, you'll see a triangle that looks like this. Maybe not, I don't know. That wasn't a very good triangle. 33 millimeters. Folks, when we are talking about perimeter, always use a unit. You need to have your units on your answer. In fact, what I want you to write down now is perimeter. Perimeter. Don't forget to put your unit on your answer. Don't forget those units, because I don't want you to, your answer's not like 18, it's 18 inches or 18 feet, right? You can't go to Lowe's and be like, I need 18 fencing. The guy's gonna look at you and be like, feet, meter, millimeters, centimeters, I have no idea. So we're looking at this guy. We want to find the perimeter, like pretend this is our garden. We go to Lowe's and we find, it's a really small garden. That's a garden I wouldn't kill, guys. Garden I would not kill. All right, so we're going to add up all these sides. We get 30, 30, 20, 3 and 3 is 6 plus 2 more is 8. All right, 8. So the perimeter of this is 8 millimeters. Notice I did not forget my unit. All right, so let's take a look at the practice problems now. What I want you to do is go ahead and pause the video, try the practice problems on page 36, A through E. Then come back and we'll do those together. So for A, we got a square. This right here. Hopefully I don't mess up my recording. We have a square and it is 12 millimeters. Guys, millimeters. Here's the good news about squares. All the same sides. So this is 12, this is 12, this is 12, this is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, 4 times gives us 48 millimeters. So that is our answer for A. Let's take a look at B. The rectangle is not to scale, that's for sure. Does not look like the drawing, my apologies. 15 millimeters. Well, here's the good news. If this is 20, this guy has to be 22. So this is 20 millimeters. Dog hair. I have a golden retriever, if I haven't already said that enough in these videos. But it means that I have golden retriever hair everywhere. All right, so we go to Lowe's. We're like, hey, we need a Again, garden of millimeters. We need fencing for our garden. It's going to look like this. 20 plus 15 is 35, plus 20 plus 15, which is another 35. We add those up, and guys, we get 70 millimeters. 70 millimeters should be your answer for B. All right, for C, we have a pentagon, and it looks like, I always mess these up. There we go. And it's 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1, 1, 1, all the way around. We add all those up, we get 5 centimeters. That's going to be your answer there. Looking at D, we have an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all 3 sides are the same, and that's what those little notches mean. Those mean same, they're all the same. This is 2 centimeters, this is 2, and this is 2. 2, 4, 6, that means the perimeter of this thing is 6 millimeters, not millimeters, 6 centimeters. Good. Golden retriever hair. Little blessing, my dog blessing me. Oh, he's chilling out over there. If I knew how to move things, I would. Okay, the trapezoid, I will always show off my golden retriever, so I apologize. You'd be like, great, this is the channel of math and Caitlin's golden retriever. I actually have 2 golden retrievers. I have a golden one and then I have a black golden retriever because he's half golden retriever, half black lab. And I have like an undying love of golden retrievers. So that's going to be on the test, by the way. You better study up. All right, so this is called a trapezoid. A trapezoid has these 2 lines are parallel, meaning that they never cross, okay? And then we've got, sometimes they're, and then in this case, these guys are, you'll learn this more in geometry. That's why I was hesitating. I wasn't sure if I needed to tell you, but this and this are the same. So anyway, this is a trapezoid, right? Looks like a rectangle, except the top and the bottom are different. For this, it looks like a rectangle, except it doesn't. All right, for this, we need to find a perimeter, right? And so we're gonna add up all our sides. We get this time, this plus this is 20, plus this is 40, plus this is 55. So you get 50, all that, and the answer is 55. I don't know why I needed to draw that. All right, so that is 55, guys. Those are the practice problems for this lesson. Give it a shot. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to discussing these in class with you, guys. Thank you again for your fantastic efforts.